Good morning, guys. Nick with Kaizink here over at the Cobra press. We're at our main interface. Wanted to show you how to get into our maintenance. There's more than just running the press. We do have to perform maintenance on it. And the cool thing about this press is it'll tell you what maintenance needs to be done. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the main page here. We're going to hit service data. Then you're going to go to maintenance. The very first thing it's telling you is drain air filter moisture trap, and then clean the print carriage assembly. So it's going to essentially tell you what you need to do to get this guy back up and running here. As you complete these, you'll see over here on the next screen it'll have a reset, so it'll tell you like at what percentage it's at, and then once you perform the task, then you can hit reset. So we can toggle over here and we see that pretty much everything's green, so we're looking okay for right now. We will perform a few of these, and I'll show you how to perform those in the next video. Thanks, guys.